Hey guys, welcome back to Scott Barnes TV. I'm your host, Scott Barnes. And guess what? The holidays are almost here. And my favorite thing is Christmas. You know, it's my favorite holiday of all. If anybody knows me, they know that I start playing like Christmas music somewhere in mid-July until somewhere in mid-July. So I kind of listen to it all year round. It's kind of funny. So I want to share a little bit of my happiness with you. I am going to flock a tree. That's right. With the flock, right? I said I'm going to flock a tree. So I'm going to tell you guys how to flock a tree. But first I'm going to tell you what you need in order to flock a tree. You're going to need a spray bottle. You need water and flocking. The two key ingredients when it comes to flocking a tree. Who knew? What the flock? Even when you're messing with a fake tree, you need gloves. Why? Because those fake needles go into your skin and it looks like you have a really bad rash. And you look fucked up. You don't want to look fucked up. You want to look good. You're going to need a sifter. I got this at the 99-cent store. Sifter for the mister. You put the snow in there and you let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Other ingredients that you're going to need are some floral wire cutters, or just wire cutters. Those are important. If you're doing a white tree, you might want some silver wire. If you're doing a green tree, you can use the green wire. Common sense stuff. Now, if you want to get really fancy while the stuff is still wet and it's trying to dry, you might want to sprinkle a little bit of glitter. A little bit of glitter goes a long way, right? These are glitter palettes. I don't know what a palettes are, but it's a glitter palettes. That's cute. And then this one's a little Aurora Borealis glitter. And you see that? That's like a disco eyeshadow. But that's what you want on a tree. After it has dried for 24 hours, you can then light the tree, okay? And then decorate it. I suggest you get really big balls for holiday season. It gives it presents. So the bigger the balls, the better the tree. So remember that, okay, you guys? So if anybody has flocked a tree, please leave a comment below and tell me what a disaster it was or if it was a success. But either way, you gotta comment. Click, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe because that's probably the most important thing. Subscribe, okay? I'm over here in a snowsuit and it's hot, okay? So at least you could do is subscribe, all right? I'm just saying. Okay, thanks. All right, so we're gonna get to flocking and I'm gonna let you meet the flockers. All right, give me 1 second, I'll go grab them. All right, you guys, as promised, I told you, you're meeting the flockers. Like, here they all are. We got Gabrielle, Regina, Caitlin and Bocce, and Michael. So guess what? We're gonna get to flocking. You guys are gonna come along. We're gonna pray for the good stuff. Are you guys ready to do this? Yeah. Somebody and everybody? All right, come on. 1, 2, 3. Flock you! Flocking. Bocce, come here, you flocking?
Hold on. Switch.
You have to be really precise with the glitter.
I don't know what we're doing. We're dancing.
Bocce is the judge. Josh, what do you think?
10s across the board. We're just kind of opening up the tree boughs right now because we just put the second layer on the tree. And we're just opening these up so that they can really grab the snow. So you always think boughs don't stand up this way, they kind of hang a little bit. So you want them to bend down just a little bit so that the snow can hang off of them nicely. And plus the snow is heavy, so you want, the idea of snow on a tree is gonna be heavy because that's what happens, right? They kind of just hang out together. All right, you guys ready for tier 2?
Tier 2.
We only have 8 more trees to do, guys. How's our shaking going?
Good. We're gonna have to get it like in tree, I feel like.
Okay, so turn it on an angle
Okay.
and see how she's grabbing it?
Yes.
Because otherwise it just hits the floor. And we want it to like hit the leaves. It's called flocking technique. Just hit a little light spray of water. All right, I think she's ready to go in. Huh?
Wait her down.
Here, give me the.
Give her a little.
You have everything in your hands, which is not unusual.
Holding all the things. It's not blocking.
It's not flocking.
You know, in case you're feeling a little dehydrated.
We need more flocking.
I know, right? I'm like, get in there.
How do you think it's going so far, Michael?
Oh my god.
I would say I've had a better flock before. But overall,
But A for effort.
Yeah.
A for effort.
pretty good. Pretty good.
These mother flockers are so good. I think they're doing a great job. I think that there's some areas that I see that are really green, so I don't know why it snows sideways like that, like just on the top. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you? There you go. I have an idea.
Okay.
Maybe we get like a blow dryer and just blow a little bit in with some water, because it'll get inside as opposed to us trying to do it from an angle.
I agree. The angle was tough for me.
The angle was tough. All right, so can you find, how about our little blow dryer, the little blue one? We got a little update going on a Christmas tree. I think we got some green spots, and we're gonna try to troubleshoot. Stay tuned to see if this works out. We're gonna use a little bit of a blow dryer, water, never as good, water and a blow dryer, and some snow. So let's see what happens. It's so hot in here, and I'm trying to pretend like it's Christmas, and it's not. It don't feel nothing like Christmas. It feels like a heat wave in here. Yeah, put some on a plate. Okay, now I have an idea. Let's do a little, it's a party. Let's cut some snow lines, shall we? Okay, this turned into a whole different show. Okay, wait, let's try it. I'm gonna go in like this. This is not a traditional technique, it's the plate and blow dryer technique, which I've heard of it too. It's like at a dinner party.
Oh, many a party. This is not made for children.
This is rated R. Frank!
I think it's working.
Frank, thank God you're here. We can't get to the top of the tree, and I'm using a Dyson. We're doing lines. We're doing snow lines. Snow lines blowing through my mind. Okay, here we go. Spray it. Spray it. Did you fall asleep? What happened? Did you get a text message? What's going on? You're a bad elf, and you're sitting there saying that you've been good?
No storm.
Wow, we're so good at flocking.
I don't know about that, but
But we're trying hard.
we're getting into spots. Yeah, oh, girl. Hey guys, I was just here in the forest. I thought I heard you guys calling me. We flocked the trees. And, well, actually, this was a snowstorm inside my studio, and we captured it on film. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Okay, I gotta go. There's an avalanche. There's an avalanche coming.